Welcome to everyone. I am Aditya Vadeshi, studying in Standard 10, and I am here to share some of my views regarding the vision of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam 2020 and beyond. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Yes, my friends, this powerful thought, which burns the inner spirit of everyone, was quoted by Avul Pakit Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam, the missile man and 11th President of India. Friends, APJ Abdul Kalam, in his book India 2020, A Vision for a New Millennium, examines the weaknesses and strengths of India. The book refers a vision of how India can emerge to be among the world's top 4 economic powers by year 2020. Friends, Dr. Kalam had great expectations with India till year 2020. He expected that first annual GDP growth rate would lie between 8.5% and 9% over the next 20 years. Second thing he expected that was India would move from being a least developed country to an upper middle income country. Third thing he expected that was India's rank in World Bank's classification of economies would go from 11th in 2000 to 4th in 2020. Abdul Kalam, in his One of the Influences with Students, states his expectation that there would be no division in the region of urban and rural areas. The next thing, he states that there would be an equitable division of water in. The next thing he states that is India would be a nation where agriculture, industry and service sectors work together in symphony. He says a nation where education with value system is not denied to any meritorious candidate because of societal or economic discrimination. A nation where the best of healthcare is available to all. He says a nation where the government is responsive, transparent and corruption free. A nation where poverty has been totally eradicated, illiteracy removed and crimes against women and children are absent. A nation that is prosperous, healthy, secure, devoid of terrorism, peaceful and happy. And finally, he states that India would be a nation that is one of the best places to live and is proud of its leadership. Friends, APJ Abdul Kalam was a great nation builder, and with his Mission 2020, he opted many things and made many things come true from his dream. He said that there should be an improvement in nuclear technology, space technology and defense technology. And I am proud to say that yes, in the field of space technology, India has been successful.